Hi guys, so today we're going to be playing some Find the Button. Yay! Oh no, what am I on? Oh no, go into Roblox. Okay, so what is going on? Yeah, so I was gonna say, let me just go to the lobby. Yeah. So let me go. I have an itchy back. It's not time for an itchy back. It's time for me to play games. You guys tell me what map I should play. Well, West mode, daily mode, Easter mode, not see all mode. That's not a mode. Adventure mode, fantasy mode, classic mode, diamond mode, snowy, sweet, school, whatever. So sweet, spring, whatever you want. Just go onto Roblox, search, find the button, and then and then just go and then in the comments tell me what map I should play. But right now I'm gonna play sweet mode because I like it. We're gonna go into level 24 because why not? Level 1 is kind of boring and all of them are boring. So I didn't do this. I don't know where the button is. What do you think the button? Is this a button? That'll be obvious. No. I'm stuck on this. Oh, found it. Go. Where is it? That was so easy. Oh, I see it. Not that sneaky. No? Okay. Can't find it. Where is it? Oh, there it is. Okay. 28. Found it. I knew it was there. Wait. For a minute, I thought that was a button. From now, the buttons look like this. Oh, that's the button. Oh. From now on, the buttons look like that. So like that, okay. Oh, I think I saw it now. So this is hard. I can burn, but it doesn't hurt me. I don't know. How about if I don't know where, ow. The buttons look like that, and I can't find it. It can't be just that. What? I cannot find it. It's impossible. I can't find it. There's no way. Is it like, do not know. I have no idea. I have no idea. Is it somewhere? I feel like it's somewhere here. I don't know, my brain never lies, and I think it's lying today. Where could it be? Like, there's absolute no way. I just... Oh my. I don't... Oh my. This is hard. Ow. I keep hitting my head on stuff, but just... Is it not that? It can't... Wait. No? Come on, I thought I got it. Oh no. Okay, the buttons look like that red big square. It's not even there. Oh my! I've got it. I don't want it. I'm gonna be just don't know, but I'm gonna leave. I think I'm so having trouble finding the button. Click here to get some help. Where? Click here. Oh, okay. Now what? Hint. I'll take it. I'll take the hint. Only if these s'mores look really cooked. one of the s'mores looks lightly cooked. Where? One of the s'mores looks like cooked. What is it this? No. Oh! What? But the buttons look red. Now I know that. Oh, wait. Oh. There it is. Now what? Now, I'm gonna eventually find it. Come on. Ow. This, maybe it's on the red. Maybe on the red. Because it'll be kind of sneaky, I guess. Ooh. Is it behind the chocolate? No. No. It's not behind the chocolate. I could get another hint, but I don't want to waste my money on this. It's not really wasting my money, but... Oh, no. Red. No, it's not. One more thing. No, it's not. It's nowhere. It looks like that red thing. The red. No, it's not there. Is there any red here? This is red. Come on. No. Ow. Okay. I think we should end it here because I'm really stuck. Yeah, if I just look here now. Okay. I'm gonna be ending the video here. See my face? Yep. Okay, bye. Yeah, bye, I guess. Bye.